Factoring the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares tells us that if our quadratic equation may be written as a difference between two squares, then it may be factored in two binomials. So this is the pattern. The x raised to 2 minus y raised to 2 can be factored. So this equation x raised to 2 plus y raised to 2, this is not the difference of two squares. So you can see the sign is less or positive, so cannot be factored. So this one is can be factored. So this is the difference of two squares. The pattern x raised to 2 minus y raised to 2 equals quantity x minus y, quantity x plus y. So the x times x is same with x raised to 2. The y times y is same with y raised to 2. Recall the perfect square number that are there. 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 equals 25, 6 times 6 equals 36, 7 times 7 equals 49, 8 times 8 equals 64. This is same with this one. Okay. The blue packs are the usually answer when we factor the difference of two squares. Next, same with this one. Okay, the yellow box, those are the given. We can see this one as a given. Same with this one. Let's go to the recall the perfect square variables, or we can say this is letters. X. We can use the any letter A, B, C up to Z, but I like X. X raised to 2 equals X. X. I don't mind you the X. X raised to 4 equals 2. X raised to 2. X raised to 6 equals to X raised to 3. X raised to 8 equals to X raised to 4. X raised to 10 equals to X raised to 5. X raised to 12 equals X raised to 6. Now, the blue box, this is the answer when we factor. Okay, let me explain this one. X raised to 2 becomes X raised to 1. When we square or we get the square root of X raised to 2, that is X raised to 1. Or square root is square root is 1/2. Okay. Now, when we multiply 2 to this one, that is 2 divided by 2. That's why it becomes 1. Or we can say 2 half of this is 1. 4 half of this is 2. 6 half of this is 3, and so forth. This is the pattern. X raised to 2 minus y raised to 2 equals quantity x minus y, quantity x plus y. We will use this pattern when we get the difference of two squares, or the factor of the difference of the two squares. Examples. Number 1, x raised to 2 minus 25. For x raised to 2, we can say x times x. The other one is 5 and 5. So we're going to use the pattern again. As you can see, this is same, and this is negative, and this is positive. Quantity x minus 5 here, and the other one is quantity x plus 5. So this is very easy. So let's go to the next number 2. 9x raised to 2 minus 16. We have 3 times 3x. 3x times 3x. 4 times 4. So the answer is quantity 3x minus 4 and quantity 3x plus 4. For number 3, 4x raised to 2 minus 100, y raised to 2. 2x times 2x and 10y times 10y. Then quantity 2x minus 10y, quantity 2x plus 10y. Number 4, 36x raised to 2, y raised to 2 minus 81. 6xy times 6xy. 81, 9 times 9. Okay? The answer is quantity 6xy minus 9. Quantity 6xy plus 9. Number 5. A raised to 8 minus c raised to 6. For a raised to 8, the answer here for this one is a raised to 4 times a raised to 4. For c raised to 6, c raised to 3, c raised to 3. The answer, quantity a raised to 4 minus c raised to 3. Quantity a raised to 4 plus c raised to 3. Number 6. 64x raised to 2 minus 16y raised to 2. This is a factor of 8x times 8x. 4y times 4y for 16y raised to 2. Quantity 8x minus 4y. Quantity 8x plus 4y. Number 7. X raised to 10 minus 4y raised to 4. X raised to 5 times x raised to 5. That for y, 4y raised to 4, 2y raised to 2, and 2y raised to 2. The answer is quantity x raised to 5 minus 2y raised to 2. The other one, quantity x raised to 5 plus 2y raised to 2. Number A. A raised to 2, B raised to 2, minus 400. The answer, quantity AB minus 20 and quantity AB plus 20. We're going to direct the answer. So we know the pattern. So the A raised to 2 becomes the 2A, the other one here. And the B raised to 2, and this one, the other here. And the 400 is 20 times 20, that's 400. So the other 20 here and this one. Number 9. 1 minus 36n raised to 4n raised to 10. So this one is 1 times 1. And 36 is 6 times 6. M is raised to 2. N raised to 5. So let's see. 1. Quantity 1 minus 6n raised to 2. N raised to 5. And quantity 1 plus 6n raised to 2 n raised to 5. That's very easy. Number 10. B raised to 4, y raised to 8, minus 441c raised to 10. Oh my gosh, 441. You can do that. Okay, let's go to the b and y first. Okay, and for this one also. Quantity b raised to 2, because this is 4. Half of the 4 is 2. And y raised to 4. Half of 8 is 4. 441, that is 21 and 21. 21 times 21. So 21c raised to 5. Raised to 5 because it's 10. Half of 10 is 5. The other one, quantity b raised to 2, y raised to 4 plus 21, c raised to 5. Okay, are you ready? In challenge, this is a given. Factor, or we're going to factor is this one. 4 quantity x plus y raised to 2 minus 9 quantity x minus y raised to 2. That is same with this given. This is for x raised to 2. And for the other one is minus y raised to 2. So don't be confused. Okay, next. Now the 4 is the uh, factor of this is 2 times 2. And this one is same with this x plus y, x plus y. We have here the exponent, that's why we need 2x plus y. Okay, minus 3x minus y. Okay, this equation is the answer for x minus y. And this equation is the answer for x plus y. Okay, let's go on. So we're going to multiply this one. So we can combine all the x and y to simplify. So as you can see, this is negative, right? And this is a positive. And this is same, right? Okay, the next 2 times y. And then the next 3 times x. And the other one is 3 times y. So include the negative here when you multiply. The other one next, 2 times x, 2 times y. Then positive 3 times x, positive multiplied to negative y. Okay, the answer for this one is this. 2x plus 2y minus 3x plus 3y. And the other one, 2x plus 2y plus 3x minus 3y. Why is it becomes positive, this one? Negative 3 times negative is positive. And this one, positive to negative, that is negative. Okay, proceed. Now we're going to combine the like terms. When you say like terms, same variables, same letter, that's it. So 2x and 3x, we have here the negative. So when we combine this negative to positive, that is subtract. So it becomes negative x. Don't forget, the higher number, the sign of the higher number is negative. So let's get the negative sign. Again, 2x minus 3x, that is unlike sign or different sign. That's why we need to subtract. So when we subtract this, 3 minus 2 is 1. And then include the sign of the higher number. We need to get the sign of the higher number. So that is negative x. Next, 2y plus 3y, same sign. We need to add. So that is positive 5y. Let's go to the next one. 2x. The other one is 3x. So when we add, this is both positive, both like sign. So it means we need to add. And this one, for 2y, negative 3y, unlike sign, different sign. You have to subtract and copy the sign of the higher number. This one, 5x minus y. Okay, that's not the final answer. We need positive for the x here. So we need to get out the negative sign here. And how is it? This one. The sign for negative here is we're going to put it outside. So it becomes positive, this one. Now when we out the sign here, so take note, the sign of the next coefficient will be affected. So this one can be changed. So negative to negative is also this is positive. So see, then positive becomes negative because of this sign that we need to get out the sign. Get out! Okay, let's go to the other one. Quantity 5x minus y. No need to take out the sign because this is positive for x. And this is the final answer. We can say this is the answer, but when we need to get to simplify a final answer, this one. Alright, this is a quote. A problem is always there, only you have to do is find the solution, not another problem. Like a math. From advisor.